Birdman. I'm coming for you, Birdman. Let me set this up real quick. Birdman, what you did, gon' pick down on a little kid. Now I gotta come out my shell. Sorry, dawg, that means hell. I guess it's easy to see that I drink and I smoke a motherfucking tote. Big guns, now I got you flying away. But wait, your wings been clipped. Does that mean you got a little dick? Let me fix this rhyme before this shit run out. Can we get back to it? No doubt. Birdman, thought a lot about what you said. Sorry, man. Let me fix that. Alright, here we go, Birdman. I might need your help next time videotaping this one. Now. My friends call me the Birdman Killer. You done gone wild, so I gotta spill you. Yup. Hey, but you could call me Jasper. You done gone wild, so now I gotta blast ya. Yeah. You might need a pasture, but I don't think anybody really like you. Check yourself and check your crew. No one's liking your status, you want another stratus. We don't give a fuck, you done ran out of luck. I don't know why Facebook gave you an application. This ain't trying to be racist, but you won't like the taste of this. Yeah, Birdman, you ugly. And why bird spell with a Y? Why you doing this? Just to let the time go by? Is this your 15 minutes of fame? Well, this ain't a game, but if it were, you'd be in the stands. Or maybe you'd be giving the man the brain. I don't know, some shit don't change. I say kill the can, cause you ain't the man. Yup. Give me a second and let me rewind the beat back. Hold on. I got a little bit more for you, Bird. Just hold on to me, brother. Yup. You know what they say. The apple don't fall from the tree, and the early bird get the worm. What's that mean? Well, I'm gonna explain to you. I got my 22, aiming straight at you, boss, but I ain't even got the loss. Boom, boom, pow, all you hear is tweet. Next thing you know, I got a dead bird at my feet. Yeah, and your shit get any worse, they gon' have to move you to Twitter, cause you never been a spitter. You just a forgetter, already forgotten. I hate to say nothing about the cotton, but I am rotten. I take it to the core, and I'ma melt you over the fire like a s'more. But they say the early bird gets the worm, so I guess you lost. Yeah, how you make fun of a caca baby? You broke, ugly, and fucking lazy. You know that they say the apple don't fall from the tree. Your uncle's a janitor, so what does that mean? Maybe you gon' be at Lake Brantley bathroom cleaning them, see? So go ahead and make fun of a caca baby. One more time. I'm not trying to brag and boast, but I'm really hot, so let me go eat this bird roast. Now it's toast, it's done forever. Birdman got blown out the weather. It's raining. Get off me, Birdman. I get another one coming.